Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to get started now. We've got an entire morning ahead of us. We're going to do the accessibility compliance for California healthcare facilities. So we've got two of us doing the seminar this morning, Kaylin Dunlap from Evans Area Associates, and then myself, Bill Zelmer from Sutter Healthcare. We're going to be passing back and forth throughout the day today. So let me give you a quick outline of our seminar. We're going to go through first a little bit of California Building Code 101 and ADA 101. It's going to take you through a little bit of a generic background, just as the ADA and the CBC relate to healthcare facilities. After doing that, we'll go through some overview, some scoping, and then quite a discussion about path of travel as it relates to healthcare facilities. We'll break for lunch, then we'll come back and dig in real deep into the 11B-805 sections. I know a lot of you are going to be interested in these new OSHPD code requirements in 11B-805. We'll go through that in quite a bit of detail. Then we'll go through some special issues that occur kind of specific to healthcare facilities. We'll do a couple of case studies. One in particular regarding barrier removal work, and then we'll finish up with a discussion on medical equipment. Starting with an overview for the ADA, Kaylin's going to go over that briefly, effectively, just simply the ADA as it relates to healthcare facilities. Kaylin will talk about that in a bit. And then finally, the building code, or building code 101, short and sweet, the building code has built into it healthcare requirements. The scoping is an 11B-223, and the technical sections are 11B-805. Now, as most of you know, there's different types of healthcare facilities. There's OSHPD 1, OSHPD 2, OSHPD 3, and OSHPD 4. OSHPD 1 are hospitals. OSHPD 2 are skilled nursing, OSHPD 3 are clinics, which is quite its own separate little world, and then OSHPD 4 facilities are healthcare facilities on the campus of a state prison. And then separate from all of that, which a lot of you I'm sure are going to deal with, we have separate facilities that are medical office buildings. So it's an office building like you and I most likely work in. It's a professional office. It's a B occupancy, but it's a little bit different when you do medical facilities inside of a medical office building. It changes the code requirements, so we're going to go through that as we go through the morning and the specific requirements that apply to medical office buildings.